Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new motocross gear. I have just got a brand new motocross bike. I'm not sure if that video is out or not yet, so I'm not going to tell you what bike I've just got, but I have ordered myself some new kit. I think I ordered kit, gloves and goggles, and I've got some boots on the way and some body protection as well, knee pads and stuff like that. But yeah, let's get into this package. And I am going to do this video the same as my last unboxing of motocross gear, which was literally maybe 2 years ago now. So basically, if you haven't seen that video where I unboxed all of that gear, I got myself a very glamorous assistant to try on all the kit, and they were sitting right next to me. So I am going to do the same again in today's video. I'm going to be sitting here, and my glamorous assistant is going to be sitting right here. They're going to be trying on all the kit, and I'm going to be explaining sort of what brand it is, how much it cost, and where I got it from. So yeah, let's get into the box. So I'm going to put the box down here, and like I said, I'm going to be sitting here and my assistant is going to be sitting here. Right, so to start with, the first thing is these Oakley goggles. I haven't gone all out with these goggles. They are Oakley's, which are obviously a good brand, but I haven't gone out and got myself some like Oakley air brakes or anything. These are just sort of the standard motocross goggles, but they'll do the job. I'm not really racing or anything. The only people that are going to be seeing me riding is you guys that watch the videos. And yeah, I'm not really that fussed on getting like the top goggles, because like I said, I'm not racing. I'm not going to be getting much roost thrown at me, so it doesn't really matter that much. So they come with a little bag. So here they are. I feel like a makeup YouTuber. So these have sort of a carbon fibre design frame and a clear lens. I didn't get any tinted lenses because riding up here when we're doing sort of like enduro up and like doing sort of like hill climbs in the forest, tinted lenses aren't any good because you can't really see much because it's already tinted, and then you're in the forest, so it gets quite dark. So I got myself some clear lenses, just sort of plain black and grey with the carbon fibre frame. But yeah, nice little goggles. I haven't got myself a helmet because my Troy Lee helmet does still fit me, but my Troy Lee helmet is black and white. I will go and get that in a second when I try these on. But yeah, this will go nicely with them. So moving on to the gloves. So I've got myself some plain black and white Troy Lee design gloves. I do ride wearing Troy Lee. Like I said, my helmet is Troy Lee designs as well. So here they are, the black and white checkered ones. I'll try them on. I did get an adult small in these. That's what size gloves I have from Troy Lee. I have the adult small. I think the whole kit that I ordered was an adult small, so if you are going to buy any kit from Troy Lee, I'm 5'5", 5'6", and I wear an adult small, just so if any of you are looking to buy any Troy Lee kit. So it says Troy Lee Designs Race Shop on the bottom. It is all a bit off centre, which I'm not sure if I like or not, and it has Troy Lee along the middle fingers, so if you're flipping anyone off, got the old Troy Lee designs there. Yeah, they're nice, really comfy, and really quite grippy gloves as well. So they obviously do match my helmet and the kit that I've got. And yes, you've obviously guessed now, I have got Troy Lee kit. I'm obviously wearing full Troy Lee kit. I'm not going to be mix and matching. I'm not a massive fan of that. And they have a little face on the index finger. So now moving on to the jersey. If you want to get any of your own OK clothing, then make sure you head down to the top link in the description and you can get yourself some of the OK clothing products. This is the new white jumper from the spring summer collection. So yeah, if you use the discount code GeorgePim10, that will get you 10% off your order. So like I said, I have ordered an adult small, and now looking at it, it's going to be quite big I think, but I am going to get the body armour, so that will go over there quite nicely, but the arms look like they're going to be quite long, but doesn't matter, they'll fit me for a long time, and I will be trying it all on in a minute. Like I said, going to get my glamorous assistant to try it all on for me. So now moving on to the trousers. So much stuff falling out of them. So these are just the sort of plain black and white Troy Lee trousers. They match the top, obviously, and the gloves, and you'll see in a minute they'll match my helmet as well. Hopefully the boots that I am getting are going to be black and white as well, so I'm going to be all matching, going to be looking good. So yeah, I need to get all of this rubbish out the way. Right, so all of that's out the way now. Need to put this on the floor because, like I said earlier, my little assistant is going to be trying it on for me. Right, so there you go, the glamorous assistant is me, looking good as ever. Got all my kit on here. The trousers, they fit me nicely, and the jersey is a bit big really, but obviously I've tucked it in to the trousers here, and the sleeves are quite long as well, but I will they will fit me for quite a long time because I did order quite big, because Troy Lee is quite an expensive brand, so they're going to fit me for a long time, which is good. So yeah, the trousers and the jersey fit me nicely, and obviously I've got my helmet on here. I didn't buy this today, I've had that a long time now, but matches, it's Troy Lee, black and white, and the goggles do look good. They match with the helmet and the whole kit really nicely, and obviously the gloves, already tried them on earlier, but I have got them on there as well. So yeah, it does all fit me really nicely. I have sort of always worn Troy Lee. It is my favourite brand, although if there's any brands out there that want to sponsor me and send me some new kit, I'm happy for that. So yeah, we are going to get my beautiful assistant out the way now. Off he goes onto the sofa. So yeah, I do also have the OK Clothing hoodie on today, and their trackies as well from last winter's season, I think. These are quite old, but this new hoodie is from the spring summer collection that has just released quite recently, so make sure you go to the link in the description and you can use the discount code GeorgePim10, and that will get you 10% off any of the OK products. They are so comfy, they fit perfectly. I wear a size extra small. Like I said earlier, I'm about 5'5", 5'6". They've got loads of t-shirts as well. I do actually have an OK t-shirt on as well. That's a sold out product now as well, but they've got all sorts of stuff: shorts, t-shirts, trackies, hoodies, hats, girls clothes as well. So make sure you go down to the description and head to okclothing.com and use the discount code GeorgePim10, and that'll get you 10% off your order. So yeah, we're now going to go outside, and I realised earlier I said I'm not sure if I've released the video with the motocross bike yet, but I am going to upload that video first. So if you haven't seen that video, basically I got a KTM 85 and we are now going to go out for a ride wearing the new kit on the 85. So it is a couple of hours later now, we still haven't gone riding, but Mum's just said we can go down to the track, she'll film for me, so yeah, let's get kitted up. So, all kitted up now, got the helmet, goggles, so got to get my boots obviously, and then we'll get the bike warmed up. I'm going to bring the GoPro with me as well, and like I said, Mum's going to be filming on this camera, so yeah, should be a good little vlog. So guys, just started it, and it ran for about a minute and then died, and I've checked and it got no petrol. I don't have any oil to mix, like 2-stroke oil to mix in with the petrol right now. I've ordered some, but I also ordered a new piston, and we're taking this to a bike shop to get the new piston put in. So I'm not going to have this bike for a few days as soon as that package arrives. So yeah, I'm not going to be riding today, but this video isn't actually going to be uploaded until after then, if that makes sense. So basically I'll still ride in today's video, but it's actually going to be in about a week's time. So see you in about a week.